Music: salsa, merengue, bachata, reggaeton. When it comes to Latin American culture, it is unparalleled. We can't find a culture as vibrant, colorful, and amazing as Latin American culture. The heartbeat of the Latin American culture is its music, which is so cheerful and energetic that even a non-dancer can start dancing after hearing it. There are many genres of music in the Latin American music culture, but salsa, merengue, bachata, reggaeton are the main ones. Let's explore them. Salsa. In the Spanish language, it refers to sauce and carries connotations of the spiciness commonly found in the Latin and Caribbean cuisine. It was in the 20th century that the word salsa acquired a musical sense in both languages, English and Spanish. It is described as a word with vivid associations. It connotes a frenzied, hot, and wild musical experience that drives attention upon the elements of Latin culture. Salsa is a product of various Cuban musical genres such as the Afro, Cuban son montuno, guaracha, mambo, etc. It is a fusion of Spanish canción, guitar, and Afro, Cuban percussion. The lyrics used in salsa music ranges from simple dance numbers and sentimental romantic songs to risque and political topics. The lyrics are often quoted from traditional Cuban songs and rumbas. The first ever salsa album recorded and released was from Luis Ramirez, who is also called the Quincy Jones of salsa. The first salsa bands were created by Cubans and Puerto Ricans. With passage of time, it spread throughout America and eventually the world. Some of the founding salsa artists are Johnny Pacheco, Celia Cruz, Ruben Blades, Richie Ray, Bobby Cruz, etc. Some famous salsa songs are Periódico de Ayer by Hector Lavoe, El Preso by Fruco y sus Tesos, Pedro Navaja by Willie Colon and Ruben Blades, Vivir mi vida by Mark Anthony. Merengue. It is a type of music and dance that originated in the Dominican Republic and soon got very popular throughout Latin America. It was developed as a music style in the mid-19th century. There are three main styles of merengue that are very famous. Perico Ripiao, which is the oldest and most commonly played style, merengue de orquesta, and merengue de guitarra. It is a fast type of music in which traditional instruments like diatonic, accordion, tambora, and a gira are used. Some internationally famous artists and groups of merengue are Juan Luis Guerra, Tono Rosario, Fernando Villalona, Carlos Manuel El Zafiro, Los Toros Band, and the New York Band. Some world-known merengue songs are Abusadora by Oro Solido y Raúl Acosta, Bailar by De Oro featuring Elvis Crespo, Esa Muchacha by Los Hermanos Rosario, and many more. Although it originated in the land of the Dominican Republic, it found mainstream exposure in other regions of Latin America in the 1970s and 80s and reached its peak in the 1990s. Bachata. Bachata is a genre of Latin American music that also originated in the Dominican Republic. It originated in the first half of the 20th century. It emerged from bolero and son. The real term used to name the music was amargue, which means bitter music, but soon the term bachata became popular. There are 5 main instruments used in bachata music: requinto, a lead guitar; segunda, a rhythm guitar; bass guitar, bongos, and a gira. The earliest recorded bachata composition was done by Jose Manuel Calderon. Some famous artists of bachata music are Romeo Santos, Prince Royce, Aventura, Frank Reyes, and many more. And some amazing music compositions are Asalto by Prince Royce, Déjame Tenerte by Kevin Cosmos, La Diabla by Romeo Santos, and Necio by Romeo Santos featuring Santana. etc. Reggaeton. Last but not the least, reggaeton is a music style which originated in Puerto Rico in the mid-1990s. The music evolved from dancehall and has been influenced by Latin American music. The lyrical structure of the music depicts the hip-hop style. It uses the traditional verses, chorus, bridge pop structure. Like the hip-hop style, these songs have a hook which is repeated throughout the song. Some famous songs of this music style are Despacito by Luis Fonsi featuring Daddy Yankee, Gasolina by Daddy Yankee, Sexy Movimiento by Wisin and Yandel, Ella y Yo by Don Omar featuring Aventura, and Hasta el Amanecer by Nicky Jam. Over the past decade, this music style has become popular throughout Latin America as well as the whole world. So, we have discussed the famous Latin American music genres which represent the vibrant and cheerful souls of the Latin American culture. These music forms have become the identity of Latin American culture and are enjoyed by everyone in the world.